Greetings everyone, I hope all is well. This is your ICT facilitator, your ICT educator. Today we are going to be looking at another set of item which is under the Uganda Muslim Teachers Association UMTA Joint Mock Exam ICT Paper 2 Item 2. We are going to be looking at this item in bits to enable you, the people following, to follow through, to blend in with each and every skill. We are going to first attend to this item, looking at the home page. Then you scroll through to access the video that will be showing us the About Us page. We shall also upload a video about our shop, and then the other will be about the Contact Us page. This is your ICT facilitator that will be taking you through the detail. I appreciate the fact that you are pushing in some good comments. Please keep it rolling. So without wasting time, allow me to take you through the plan. This is our mock that we are going to be digesting today, and we are going to be looking at the detail to see that we understand the aspects, we understand all the elements of the question. This is the scenario. This is the question paper from UMTA, budget to quality. I was able to retype the question again. This is item 2. When you scroll down here, we have our item 2 question here. Yes, so we are going to be looking at this item 2 and the UMTA. The question is over here. I want us to first understand it line by line, and then we shall be able to scroll in to see what we were supposed to do if we were to get some good scores out of it. They are telling us that a new company was started in Kanganda community. Look at this line. With the aim of supplying farm tools and maximizing profits. In the first year of operation, the company registered few customers, and top management suggested that there is need to advertise to reach out to more customers if they are to remain in the business. The company's managing director recommends that a platform be created to advertise the products to the public, both near and far. The platform should also enable interested customers to order and buy without physically coming to the company premises. Mr. Lubachoya was excited about the good recommendations made by the managing director. Unfortunately, the company currently lacks an ICT personnel to help them implement the recommendations. Some information about the company is provided in the support folder company. So they have provided us with the support material. But what are we supposed to know as the people that are trying to attend to this scenario? One, you have that under item 2 ICT paper 2, the learner will be examined about coming up with offline solutions or online solutions. And then here, when you look at what the item set is more interested in, they're telling us that the company's managing director recommends that a platform be created to advertise the products to the public both near and far. The platform should also enable interested customers to order and buy without physically coming to the company premises. Now, after looking at this, you as the person trying to attend to the scenario, you have to know that I need to design a website or an online platform that will be used to advertise the company products. Now, I had designed a simple marking grid, what we call the elements that people should put up before they come up with any online publication. And we called them key marking points for website design. The key marking areas that you need to implement, that you need to put into your design as you come up with it. So what are we supposed to know? As the candidate, please, you are reminded when designing a website, you are reminded that ensure the following elements are included. One, you need what we call the organization name. You need to include an organization that is trying to customize or where the solution is directed to. Clearly displayed at the top of the page. That is one of the marking points. 2, we need what we call a logo, an identifier, that unique icon that identifies the company or the stakeholder in the question. We also need some catching technicalities. At this point, I'm taking a McQueen. We are going to be discussing a scrolling text or banner. It should be included there. Then we need what we call an address or contact or feedback. We need what we call a form. At least one page should have a form, e.g. admissions, registration, feedback, etc. We need at least that form. We need what we call captions on pictures. Every time we insert pictures, we need to see that additional statement that tries to expand more about that picture. We also need what we call nice background design to make your website eye-catching, very interesting. We also need a footer. Add a footer. The footer can be as simple as designed by Mutebi Ratib 003. We need what we call a nice banner that should be put there. Active links and navigation bar is also another key marking aspect. We also need varying fonts, could be in color, size, style, to make sure that we have very, very good and stunning website. We also need to put into consideration the page balance and layout. Make sure that your work, your content fits onto the page. Then we have what we call the visible font. Make sure that your font is visible enough for the people trying to read or to check your website. Here I have designed a dummy site which we are going to be using as we come up with our project. I've called it Kanganda Farm Connect Store, which we are going to be using as the company name. And then this website has over 4 pages. It has the home page, it has the About Us page, it has, when you check the About Us page here, we see that we have been able to put our mission, our vision, our values, a simple footer, a simple banner here, and then we see that the site is really, really stunning. Then we have also moved on to put what we call our shop. And our shop, I had put different products that we tend to measure in. But when we check here, you see that these different products, I have been able to put the price, I have been able to put even the 5 stars to make the product be outstanding. I had also, I've also been able to put what we call the order button, so that when someone clicks onto the order button, they take them straight onto what we call the form, where they can really drop in their order so that the people the other side can easily reach out. So every product has been attached with what we call an order button. Then we also have what we call the contact us page. So when you look at this, you see that the candidate has been able to submit something outstanding, material that is really on point. We have the home page, well blended. We have the About Us page, well composed. We have what we call our shop, has also been well tallied. When you look at these action buttons, when I click on the order, they are all well linked. So I'm going to walk with you step by step to see that we seal it, we understand each and every detail. Don't forget, this video is only targeting the home page. How can we design such a stunning home page without stressing? We are going to be using Expression Web to see that we get things zeroed down. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. I love you so much. Okay, now let's zero down. The question you might ask yourself, why are we applying the order button here? What is its relevance? It's because you, the candidate attending to the question, you have to read thoroughly each and every line. Mr. Lubachoya was excited about the good recommendation made by the managing director. What was this recommendation? Because they're telling us that the company's managing director recommends that a platform be created to advertise the products to the public, both near and far. But when you look here, the platform should also enable interested customers to order and buy without physically coming to the company premises. That's why when you check here, I have been able to put an order button to enable the customer, to enable you that want to buy from us to easily drop in your order by just filling the form, and then you press the submit button there and then. Okay, thank you. Let's roll in. Step 1, create a folder with your full name and personal number. I will create a folder with my full name and personal number 008. It will be my personal number in today's session. After creating the folder, please go on to again create two subfolders. Come over here, option new, click folder. This is for item 1. I'll name it item 1 folder, and then we also have a folder 2, which is for item 2. Nice. Now, after putting this at stake, remember we had uploaded a video about item 1, and for today we are going to only look at item 2 video. So under item 2, I've said I'm going to split it into the home page, the about us page, our shop page, and the contact us page. All those are different videos. So please check in to follow through, work with me till when we come up with a complete project together that will look like this. But feel free to modify, feel free to add your ideas to make sure that at least we have products that can make you get some good marks. Okay, thank you. Okay, now if you just feel like enjoying every time you're teaching people, and some people are giving good comments, it's really very stunning. Okay, now let's zero down. After creating our folder here, I will now move on to create to open my expression web. Just type in EXP into your search area, and then come here, you click the open tab. When you click the open option, this is our expression, Microsoft Expression Web 4, our web designing environment, which we are going to be using today. Okay, now when we check here, this is how the interface looks like. I'm going to start by creating the first page. So I will go to, let me move straight to insert. You can even take the option site. After choosing site, you click site here, then scroll to new site. When you reach new site, just go to general, 1 page per site, and then come and browse. I will say browse. As I browse, I want to be able to access my folder named as Muteburative 008 item 2, and then I will say open. When I click open, I will click OK. I'm done, and then I will say, after putting this here, I will first put a pause. Let us now first go take a walk into the support material. Come over here and then say, I want to extract. Let's say extract to. How to extract? You right click, choose, if using Windows 11, go to show more options, then go to extract to this, and then start to create for us a folder with a full name. Yes. Here we go. Our folder has been created. Remember in the question paper they said a support material called, they have provided with a material called in the folder called company. So when I check under this folder, so that we have multiple files which we are going to be using. When we check here, we have a simple file having a few detail, specialists in farm tools and equipment. We are the leading supplier. We proudly serve farmers in Kanganda area. So we have some additional statement to back up what we are going to be designing. Remember, we want to come up with a farm store where people can come and purchase different farm tools. Okay, now after putting that down, I'm going to now to move on to see that we get everything done. Okay, allow me close these tabs. Allow me close them so that we have a clear display. Okay, I'm putting them down a bit. Okay, thank you. Okay. Now after getting this, I have my support material here. I'm going to be using it. And then after reaching at this point, please highlight all the images. I want to take all the images. Control C to copy, and then go into your working folder under item 2, and then say Control V. When you reach the Control V button, paste all the images in your working folder, please, to enable you be able to link them up. So this is my first page. I'll just right click on it. I go to option rename. I want to name it as home. I want to call it the home. Let me say home page. Homepage.html. Okay. Yes. Now I will load it. I will load it to open. This is my home page. I have been able to click on it, and then it's up here, up and running. Let me first close a bit here, and then we check our folder to see whether that page is there. Nice. Item 2, when I check, I have my home page and my images. When I double click to open, we see that currently the page is blank. Remember, this first video is only focusing on the home page. We want to design a home page that looks like this, the way you see ours here. So now I will come and start designing by putting a name up here. We want to call ourselves Kanganda Farm Connect Store. Come up with a catching name if at all the scenario has not been able to provide you with one. So I will put my cursor here. I go to table. I want to insert a table, and then I want to put one row, one column. One row, one column. Come over here, align it center, keep this to 100, and then I want to keep the cell padding, keep it at that. But I want to go on to say maybe my font, my background color, I'm going to take yellow, and then I say okay. When I say okay, I'll come and type the name Kanganda Farm Connect Store. Yes, Kanganda Farm Connect Store. Okay. Now after putting it here, I'm going to highlight. I align center by clicking this, or by say Control E, align it center. I'll come to size. I say I want to keep it a bit heavier. I want to bold it, Control B, or come and click here, and I want to give it a font color red, click apply. Yes, so we are done putting the name for the company, Kanganda Farm, I want to call it farm, not form, sorry there, Kanganda Farm Connect Store. Yes, after putting that down, I will come now and say, I want to put maybe the logo, if at all you have one. When we check into the support material, we see that we don't have anything that is related to a logo. But you are free to just carry one more tool, you drop it there to be your logo, or to blend in as a new curriculum student. We are sure that you have been exposed to different applications. So I will come over here, I say, let me compose something to act as my logo. I will come here and say maybe Kanganda Farm Connect Store. I want to take this to be my logo. I will come here, bold it, increase the fonts. I want to make sure that I have all the marking points well appreciated. Let me change maybe the F. I keep it as I give font color red. I can italicize it, and then I can change its font to make it a little bit more ideal and eye-catching. Okay, now I can say that will be my font. I want to change, I put it maybe under lowercase. I come over here, I space a bit. So this is my logo here, and I want to take it up. So after keeping this, I'm going to come and snip. So that I have it as an image. So all these are skills that the learner has to be equipped with, to be versatile, to be a critical thinker, for you to be able to come up with something really, really very, very good. So I will come and paste my logo here. You Control V to paste. Remember, I have snipped. After snipping, you click this option copy, or you Control C to copy. After copying, come over this side and say, I want to paste. Under pasting, you shall see that our logo has been inserted. Ctrl V, come back, Ctrl V, click here, and then our logo has been well inserted. Let me align it center. After aligning it center, let me reduce it a bit so that it is not as that big. We want to be within our good design. Ctrl S, save changes. Every time you save, this will be saved into your into your folder of interest. Ctrl S, and then allow me to have a look onto what I have into the web page here. Refresh by clicking. We see that at least our design has started taking shape. We have Kanganda Farm Connect Store, and we have composed a very simple logo so that at least we pick some marks from the evaluator, from the person trying to grade us out here. Okay, now I'll move on and see what else can we put into the site to make it really stunning. We want to come up with a catching slogan, your trusted source for quality farm implements. Okay, move over here. I want to put a catching slogan. Remember, in the support material, they had provided us with a Word document. Yes, this Word document, it has some sample material that we can keep using. Specialists in farm tools and equipments. Can we take this? Oh, we take your trusted source for quality farm implements. What do you suggest? Please share with me. Okay, let me take your trusted source C. Okay, Ctrl C. Come over here. I want to paste it. I'm going to put it here. Ctrl V. Nice. So when I put it here, I will make sure that at least I add some salt on the meat to make it really delicious and have some good marks. I've set it to bold. After bolding, I want to increase the font a bit. Yes, font size a bit. Should we keep it at 24? Yes, 24 is coming out. Okay, after getting this, Ctrl S, and we see what else can we add into our dummy here. So coming down, I want to still refresh the page to see what we have. Oh, wait, it is coming. Your trusted source for quality farm implements. Please don't forget to pause, try out, pause, try out, pause, try out, so that we can move together and pull. Okay, now, after getting this, we want to put now what we call the navigation links, so that people can easily navigate from the home page, about us page, our shop, contact us, everything should be there. Yes, so I will come and say now, I want to put navigations. So I can decide to type it here, or I prefer we use a table. A table will keep life very easy for us. Go to table, say insert table, and then come here, we'll say we have 4 pages. So I will need 1 row, and then here I will need over 4 columns. Come here, align center, come here, we say I want to have 60 by size. Come to cell padding, keep it at 5. Cell spacing, keep it at 6. Borders, to keep them at 5. Color. Which color can we use? Okay, which color? Let me see. What had we used here? Oh, we had used this dark green. Okay, let us also use dark green. Come to here. I want to take dark green, and then here allow me take the yellow, so that I can line very well with what I have in my header here. Okay, now after reaching here, I'm going to type in our pages. That is the home. Here we want to put about us. Here we want to put our shop. Yes, and then here we want to put contact us. Nice. So I'll come after typing in my content. I can still go on to highlight. How do we highlight? We can highlight manually like this, or you put your cursor adjacent to the table, tap on it once, and then it will highlight the entire row or the entire table depending. Then I want to bold a bit. After bolding, I want to come increase the size a bit around 24, and then I want to keep font color white. Will it be visible? Let me see. Yes, okay. Yes, the white is blending. The white is blending very, very, very well. So after putting that down, what else do we need to put? Oh, I forgot this running statement, which we refer to as the MAQUI. Let us also put it there, so that our site looks a bit nice and on point. So now, allow me, I will move straight here to my project. I click enter. After clicking the enter button, I will come and say, let me check my expression web. I will go to expression web. Has two views: design, split, and code. Go under the code side. After reaching the code side, I will come over here. Allow me put. I want to put. Let me first break a bit. Let me say open a tag for the MAQUI. How do we set it? Open a MAQUI, MARQUEE, MAQUI, close. When you close, they will complete the tag for you. I want to say welcome. I say welcome to Kanganda Farm Connect Store. Nice. Welcome to Kanganda Farm Connect Store. Control S. After Control S, check back the design view. Yes, we have our MAQUI here. I'll come bold it a bit. Come over here, increase the font a bit. One more time around here. Okay. Maybe let me just reduce it to 1 more inch. Yes, and then we can keep it italic by clicking Control I to make it a bit different from what we have the other side. Come here. I want to put red, and then red will be my font color. Is it bold? Yes, it is under the bold option. You can also go on to change the font style. I say maybe let me take Lucida, let me take Verdana, let me take Arial Narrow, depending on what you want to have at stake. Control S, every time you make a change, come back here to your site, refresh. The site is here, refresh. We see, yes, our MAQUI is over there and rolling very, very well. Come back here. We want to rush through. Let me erase that space so that we don't have space that is not really, really relevant. So after putting it here, okay, now to go, I've just pressed the enter button to create another paragraph here. So after putting it here, now I'll move on to put, let me put a separator to separate for me my navigation section from the body. I'll go to maybe insert. I say HTML. I want to insert a horizontal line. Yes, it has been put there. Right click on it. Go to horizontal line properties. Make it a bit thicker. Let me give it font color red. Yes, allow me increase its height to around 11 and make it solid. Click OK. At least now we have a separator from our main from the header section, and then the border put a horizontal line there. So now after putting that there, I'm going to continue. What should we put now? Come back to our plan to see that we easily follow through. We want to put a simple welcome statement. Welcome to Kanganda Farm Tools Company. Do we have it in the support material here? I had also drafted something very, very simple. We are a leading supplier. Yes, let me take this. Let me take this. So I'll come back here. I say Control V. Yes, Control V to paste. Allow me break a bit. Come over here. I want to say welcome. Welcome to Kanganda. Yes, Kanganda Farm Connect. Kanganda Farm Connect Store. Yes, so I'll come highlight, align center, and then I can start adding some salt to make sure that things are really, really on point. Oh, I missed out this. Come over here. I want to keep it at the same size. Then I'll come here and then highlight, I want to bold it. After bolding, I'm going to go on to make sure that really it has some uniqueness. Okay. Now, after putting a simple statement to act as an intro, welcome to Kanganda Farm Connect Store. We are a leading supplier of high quality farm products and tools dedicated to improving farmers and to improve farmers with the best solutions for the agricultural needs, etc. So after putting that there, I can now still go on and say, what else can I put here? I'm going to compose a simple table. This table will have a simple image, and then I'll put something very, very clear here to make sure that all is on point. Okay, now I'll move here. I'm going to create some space over here. Yes, I'm creating some space. I'm creating some space a bit around maybe here, and then I want to put my footer. So first put the footer, then we shall structure this other later. Yes, I will now move. I say I will now go to I want to create a new table. Come here, insert table. I want to put one row. I want to put one column. I want to align it center and then keep it with the same size, but I'll say cell padding 6, cell spacing 7, border, let me keep it at around that, and then this color here, I'm going to take yellow for uniformity, background, I'm going to take the same, I click OK. Yes, I'm done structuring my footer. I now want to say designed by Mutebi, designed by Mutebi Ratib 008. Yes, I want to keep it as simple as possible. Highlight, you highlight manually like this. Come over here, align center, bold it, come give it font color white, apply, and then I want to increase the font size a bit to around 24 over there. Now, before I go on to create the other, before I go on to put the inner content, I'm going to first create these other pages, link them up, but we are going to design each and every page in a different video. So now I will come over here. After creating the skeleton, I'm going to come over here. I create these other pages. So I will go and say I want to create another page. Come over here, I can click this file new, I say I can move here, I say now file, then new, I say page. When I click page, I say HTML, and then I'll say I've created one page. I can also say Control N, that is this third page, Control N. So this page will be home page, about us page, our shop page, and the contact us page. Now, after putting this here, I want to first save these pages. Come to this page, and then go to File, click Save As. It is the same folder now, and then come and say, this is About Us. I want to use uppercase, About Us page. About Us page, come here, give it a title, call it About Us. Click OK. Click Save. After saving, we move to this tool. We move to this. We say File. We say Save As, and then we want to call this our shop page .html. Yes. Click Save. Then move here. Right. Click on it. Go to File. Go to File. Go to File. Click Save As, and then you want to call this contact us. Yes, then come over here, contact us.html, come over here and click Save. So when I click Save, I'm done creating the home page, About Us page, our shop, and the contact us. Now, after creating this, after creating the pages, before you put in the content within our site here, before you put in the material, before you customize now the home page to have the home page, they're what we call the de facto, or things that should cut across. So I will come over here. I'm going to first link the pages. I say, how do we link? Highlight the word home, which I want every time someone clicks the word home, he connects to the home page. You click about us, you go to the about us page. You click maybe our shop, you go to our shop page. Like that, like that, like that. So how do we link? You highlight the word, right click, and choose option hyperlink. Then where do we want to link? We want to link to this project, to the home, to the page called home. Tap on it. Make sure that here it is reading homepage.html, and then click OK. Then move on, highlight this, right click, go to hyperlink, come over here, this is about us, click about us, click OK. Move on, highlight, right click, move over here, hyperlink, say this is our shop, click OK. Go on, this is contact us, right click, go to hyperlink, say this is contact us, click OK. Yes, now since we are done linking these pages. So Control S, save changes. After saving changes, now I'm going to copy this information. I paste it on these other pages, but we are going to look at their design in the other videos. For now, we want to focus on the home page, but since it is the home page that is the starting point, that's why I've decided to create these pages, but their design will come in the other videos. So now I will Control A to highlight everything here, Control C to copy. Now we paste this on the About Us page. I don't want this statement to be on the About Us page. It is only on the home page. So after putting this skeleton here, I will say Control A to highlight, Control C to copy, come over here, Control V to paste, come over here, Control V to also paste. Don't forget to Control S on each and every page. Control S on each and every page. Yes. Control S on each and every page. Now get back to our project to see how far we have been able to go. Yes, when I check here, I have a simple home page having a few detail. We have the About Us page. We have our shop. We have Contact Us, though currently they have no detail in there. So come back here. Allow me change the font for the heading by highlighting. I want the font to be white. Over here, the other side is not a bit clear. Let me do the same here. I want white. Control S, move here, highlight. I want white color. Control S, move to this, even this. Click here, put white, Control S. Okay, now after putting this here, allow me now finish up my home page. So I'm going to go design, insert a simple table so that I create something of this nature. This is my site. I want to put a simple image and then some simple statements, and then we seal down the home page. So come over here. I'm going to move up here and then say go to insert, click insert table, and then I want to put one row and 2 columns. I will come over here, align it center, let it stretch 100, and then I will come and say okay. Yes, I have a simple table with this detail. So I want to insert an image here to act as a catching point. Come over here and our support material. I want to take this image called download. Control C, come over here, I paste. I put it at that. So after doing that, you're free to zoom it a bit so that you get a measurement that will really give us some good impression. So after putting it here, allow me to stretch it one more time. Yes. Then I'm going to align it center. Yeah, let me align it center. Okay, let me put it on the left, and then Control S. First look at how our work looks like so that we don't go off screen. So come over here, did I save? Control S. I've saved it. Come back here, refresh. This is the home page. I want to be on the home page. Yes, when I come on the home page, I've been able to insert a simple image. Then I want to put some dummy content over here. So come back to our design area, click into the others column. I want to go back to my plan here where we had put some material. Yes, I had composed something that we can really blend with. I've put everything in the video description. Please don't forget to also try out and you walk through with me. Come over here. I had called it UMTA website support material. We had composed some simple content that you can really put and then have everything on point. So I'll come here, Control C. I want to paste this material. We are your trusted partner. So I'll come back over here. I say I want to put some work in this section. So now I will highlight. Let me highlight this. Control C. I want to just add it here. Yes. Erase this. Sorry. Okay, highlight. I want to increase on the size. Is this too heavy? Maybe around here. Make sure that your work is visible. Make sure that people can view your work with a lot of ease. I'm going to align it center, and then after putting it here, Control S, save changes, and then after saving changes, I will now go back, check on my site to see what we have so far. Okay, so we are getting there. Let me go back here. I can decide to do some other adjustments here and there to see that we get the best. I'm applying, no. I want to put a font color that is a bit blending well with the colors that I started with. So after putting this here, I want to also increase on the font for this section for visibility to see that we can get each and every detail well respected. Now after doing all this, I'm ending up with one more. I want to right click in space, go to page properties. I want to put some formatting so that we get some background color that is really blending with the concept at hand. So I'll put maybe this silver, and then I click, no, not red, sorry, go back here, page properties, formatting. This is background color. I wanted something of this to see that the site is not too much shouting, but it is on point and all is well. Okay, so we are done with our home page. Control S to save changes in the home page. Control S, please. After Control S, and then we shall be done with the home page. So please, we are going to meet into our second video, taking us through the About Us page. Don't forget to subscribe and share. We are discussing UMTA 2025 Paper 2, Item 2, designing the home page. In our next video, we are going to be designing the About Us page with you, step by step. Thank you for following. Thank you for commenting. Stay blessed. Let's meet in the next episode. Bye-bye.